Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I wanted to show you what I received from scrapbook.com. These sticker sheets from Reminisce, and this one is This Halloween, I believe that's the name of it. And then here is one called, of course, Hocus Pocus. And then here's a fall one. That's super cute. And then another fall one, more like Thanksgiving and being grateful and thankful. Okay, and then that's it. I'm going to keep that chipboard for sure. So what I'm going to make, this is definitely inspired by Carolina on Carolina's Crafts, and I will link the video. She actually made these adorable, she made them out of chicken, the chicken stickers, and I didn't get chicken stickers. I wanted to do Halloween, but she made these adorable little notebooks using these stickers as the cover, which is perfect. And I believe the stickers are 3x3, and I believe she made her little notebooks 3 1/8 by 3 1/8, and she made them using her Cinch. And so this is something I want to do. I am in a cutesy Halloween swap on the Daisy Deb Crafts Facebook group, and I thought I am going to make like a cutesy little notebook. Like it could be an October daily or something like that, but I want to make a cutesy little Halloween notebook using these stickers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use different paper collections. I have Simple Stories Spooky Things. I have, let me see what else I have. I have Spooktacular Halloween from, I believe it's Echo Park, and I even have embellishments for it. And so I'll be use those two collections and see what I can make. Okay. All right. I'll come back and show you. So here are the little notebooks I made from the Reminisce stickers. And I'll go through those in just a moment. But I want to let you know that I used 3x5 index cards for the inside pages. And so when I cut them down to 3 inches, I had a 2-inch left over. So I'll show you what I'm going to do, or what I did with that. So here's the stickers and the little notebooks, and all I did was put the index pages in there. There's no decoration or anything like that. And then there's the back of the little book. Okay, it's going to be the same inside for this one. And then there's the back. The same on this one. I think they're so cute. And I think Carolina Crafts, I really thank Carolina for inspiring this and showing us how to do this. So anyway, the cuts, I had 2x3 index card cuts left over, and so I turned it into this cute little notebook, which, you know, you could use it for anything. I mean, it's just a cute little notebook. Jot down your ideas for craft projects, or, you know, grocery list, whatever. But it's just cute. Great thing to use in October. And I still have a bunch left to cut out and make. And I will get to those, but I wanted to share what you could do. So out of this, I'm actually getting, you know, the 3x3 notebooks, and then a 2x3 notebook from those index cards. And I'm going to use up all the index cards, which is amazing. These are so cute. I am going to use these for, I'm in a cutesy Halloween swap for Daisy Deb Crafts Facebook group, and I am going to use these for part of the swap. Don't tell anyone. I bet they're going to watch the video, so they'll know. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that that's what I made from this. They're super easy. I did use my mini cinch to make these, and they worked out perfectly. So when you do use the mini cinch, the cover is 3 1/8 inches, and that's what you're going to line it up on each side in the mini cinch. And then this one is 3 1/8, the same thing. You're going to do the same thing, and then the pages are 3 inches, and so you should be able to, you know, line it up, and they should cut, you know, just fine. They should punch fine, just evenly every single time. They always work for me. But anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want me to do a tutorial on this, I'll be glad to. Okay. All right, guys. Have a great day. And I will be announcing the winner of the Christmas words today. It will probably be later on in the day. Okay. Thank you. You guys have a great day and have a great weekend. Bye.